Balaclava, Elderslie, Junction, Louisville, Malvern, Nain, Red Bank, Santa Cruz, Southville, Warminster branch libraries, and the St. Elizabeth Parish Library. It was roll call time for the finalists in the National Reading Competition Parish Finals of the St. Elizabeth Parish Library Network. 5 age groups vying for varied prizes as well as an opportunity to represent their parish at the national finals. The National Reading Competition seeks to promote good reading habits, cultivate an appreciation of books, and foster continuing education in adults.
The National Reading Competition is a flagship program of the Jamaica Library Service. The competition started in 1988 as part of the organization's 40th anniversary celebrations. They are encouraged to read as many books as possible, but there's a minimum of 6 books that the children have to read.
A total of 97 competitors from all public libraries within the network participated in the competition. The competition started with the 6 to 8 age group.
Why did Grandy Nanny like the name Nancy? Santa Cruz Branch Library?
Because it reminded her of the character Anansi, the tricky spider.
Thank you very much, that is correct. Where did Grandy Nanny say she was from? Red Bank?
Africa.
Okay, yes, thank you very much.
9 finalists were present for the 9 to 11 age group.
So your individual question is going to be taken from Number the Stars. How old was Ellen at the beginning of the story?
10.
Thank you, that's correct. What nickname did Anna Marie and Ellen give to the tall soldier?
Giraffe.
Thank you very much.
And the 12 to 14 age group certainly showed off their mental ability skills.
Who was Mr. Craven's housekeeper?
Mrs. Medlock.
Yes, it is. For how many years was the garden locked up?
10 years.
You're correct.
And it came down to 2 entrants for the adult categories. At the end, the winners were well rewarded.
This yearly event continues to inspire children to become voracious readers and boost literacy standards. Additionally, the competition creates a link between school and home to encourage the involvement of parents to support children.
Jamaica Library Service once again underscores the relevance of public libraries through the provision of a wide range of programs and services to all age groups across Jamaica. And through the Global Libraries Initiative, several state-of-the-art ICT resources were installed in 119 public libraries, including the St. Elizabeth Parish Network.
I'd like to invite members of the public to come in and benefit from our newly installed computers. Currently, we have introduced our digital literacy training, which is for persons who already have basic computer skills, and basic computer training for persons from as young as 4 years old up to senior citizens.
Through the project, an advocacy committee was established at the St. Elizabeth Parish Library.
The library on a whole is a life-saving institution that is geared towards the development of not only the human as it is, but the community and the country on a whole.
Students are certainly enjoying the benefits of the enhanced library offerings.
When I come here, the internet is fast and reliable, and I have many places to search from, so I rarely leave from here with an assignment undone. And I usually finish my assignments fast, so maybe I take the time to play a game or two.
I come here often, I read books, it increases my vocabulary, so I speak very well, and my friends kind of call me a dictionary because I know so many words.
In the next feature, we once again look at how students are benefiting from the Jamaica Library Service's exciting programs when we share the summer program at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library.